everyone, I am Crystal Damni, going to present the topic haptic technology. First of all, what is mean by haptics? Haptics means sense of touch. Haptics is derived from the Greek word haptiko, which means able to come into contact with. Through touch, we can experience environment by feeling the dust surface, feeling temperature, pressure, etc. But it is not only about feeling the force or properties of environment, it is also about understanding the location or configuration of our body. So, what is haptic technology? It is a technology that interfaces user with a virtual environment by a sense of touch by applying force, vibration, motion to the user. Basic system configuration. Basically, haptic system consists of two parts: human part, machine part. The human part senses and controls the position of the hand, while the machine part assert forces from the hand to simulate contact with the virtual object. Both systems will provide with necessary sensors, processors and actuators. In human system, the nerve receptors perform sensing, brain perform processing and muscle perform activation. While in case of machine system, these functions are performed by encoders, computers and motors. Now, here is the working of haptic technology. A typical haptic technology system consists of several number of blocks, namely touch sense device, processor, drive circuit and actuators. The input of haptic technology system may be touched or pressed on capacitive protons on the touch screen. This shares as an input or outward signal which is sent to the touchscreen controller. The sensors in this device sends the information to the processor. The information is further processed and generated. Haptic information. The feedback provided by the haptic technology is called haptic information. These haptic feedback can be sent by two forms. One is tactile information, next is kinesthetic information. First, tactile information. It is the information acquired by the sensors connected to the human body. Second is kinesthetic information. It refers to the information acquired by the joints of the human body. Types of haptics. First is phantom interface, second cyberclasp system. Phantom interface. It is a haptic interfacing device run by a company named Sensible Technology. It is primarily used for providing 3D touch for virtual objects. This has a very high resolution of 6 degrees of freedom. It provides programmable sense of touch that allow the user to feel the size and shape of virtual object. Cyberclasp system. This system fits over the user's entire hand like an exoskeleton and adds resistive force feedback to each finger. It allows 4 degrees of freedom for each finger, adapted to different size of the fingers. They are located on the back of the hand. Now let's see the principle of haptic interface. Haptic interaction occurs at an interaction tool that mechanically couples two control dynamical system. First is haptic interface with a computer. Next, human user with a central nervous system. When we see this diagram, the two systems are exactly symmetric in structure and information. They can sense the environment, make the decision about control and provide mechanical energies to interaction tool through motions. Now we go to the advantages. It can accessible easily and it is user friendly. Accuracy and precision is very high. Digital world can be experienced and perceived through the haptic devices. Next, disadvantages. Haptic devices require high cost. The size and weight of haptic devices are large. Haptic interfaces can only exert forces with limited magnitude and not equally well in all directions. Applications. First is medical applications. In medical field, haptic technology is used for surgery operations by which can be held by haptic devices. In military field, the soldiers can be trained by using haptic technology for war. Haptic technology is rapidly growing in a gaming world which makes entertainment realistic. Last is holographic. It is a also a part of virtual reality in which the 3D objects changed, moved, touched, or manipulated by the haptic technology. Conclusion. Finally, I conclude that haptic technology is the only solution which provides high range of interaction that cannot be provided by BMA or virtual reality. Future generation of mobile devices and game console accessories will implement more feedback. Thank you.